A good way to start out in collecting rainwater is with rain barrels, and there are a number of them available in different sizes and different price ranges. However, I want to show you one today that we're going to make out of just an old trash can. This is one that we've just taken the lid off it. We're going to change it. We're going to insert a faucet through it, and then I'll show you the parts that we're going to use. Well, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and have an overflow where you can go ahead and cut a 2-inch hole, insert a 2-inch PVC pipe, and this here we put a screen on the bottom to keep the mosquitoes out, and we can just go ahead and attach that to the side. We also want to connect the faucet here at the bottom using an old washer and just using a nut and tighten that real tight so that it doesn't leak. And then when we are going ahead and connecting it to our house, if we have an existing downspout, we can go ahead and cut the center out of this lid and insert it, and then take the PVC pipe from our gutter and then divert it into this tank. The good thing about it is that it is light tight, so I don't have to worry about algae or mosquitoes being a problem in here. However, if we're not able to connect it to a downspout, if you don't have the gutters, then you can go ahead and take this lid and you can cut the center out of it, and then we can replace in it and put a screen, and that way the mosquitoes and other trash can't get into that tank from the outside. And then just place it under the eave of the house so that the water will come through the center. And then we can use this water, just catching it with a bucket from here and going to water our plants or the things that we want to use, or we can connect it to a water hose and go to a specific place. Or like in this case, we have it connected to a small dog water or pet water, so we can have a float on the inside of it so we can water our dog or cat or for our walleye. But each one of these as a rain barrel is a good way to start out in collecting water and conserving that water and getting you very conservation minded.